Hello students, today I'll give you an easy and funny trick to remember all the examples of estivation. So what is estivation? The estivation is the mode of arrangement of a sepal or a petal with respect to each other in a floral whorl. So there are 4 types of estivation that you have to learn about: valvate estivation, vexillary estivation, twisted estivation and imbricate estivation. So let's start with valvate estivation. तो valvate estivation में कैसा होता है arrangement sepals और petals का उनके floral whorls में? The margin of a sepal or petal just touches the margin of the next one in their floral whorl without overlapping. So there is no overlapping. The margins are just touching each other. So what is the example? What is that easy trick that will make you remember all the examples? That is velvet chair. The V of velvet is for valvate. The C of chair is for, there's only one example, calotropis. The next estivation is vexillary estivation. So vexillary estivation की पहचान क्या होती है? इसमें जो सबसे largest petal होता है वो बाकी सारे petals को overlap करता है. So what is the easy trick that will make you remember all the examples? That easy trick is BP vaccine. The B of this trick is, the B stands for bean, P stands for P, and vaccine, the V of vaccine is for vexillary. Next is twisted estivation. तो आपको पता है twisted estivation में क्या होता है? The margins of the sepal or petal, they overlap the margin of the next one in a particular direction. So there is overlapping of the margins, but in a particular direction. So what is that easy trick that will make you remember the examples? The easy trick is, a lady from China twisted her cotton shirt. So lady stands for lady's finger. China itself is one of the example, is China rose, and cotton is another example which is already mentioned, cotton. Fourth and the last estivation is imbricate estivation. In imbricate estivation की पहचान क्या होती है? The margins, they are overlapping the margin of the next one, but not in any particular direction. So what is that easy trick that will make you remember all the examples of imbricate estivation? That easy trick is cash gul ho gaya. Cash is, the cash will make you remember cassia, which is one of the example, and gul will make you remember gul mohar, which is another example. Thank you.